Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
Being 6 o'clock, I'll call to order this meeting of Fitchburg Public Safety and Human Services for Tuesday, December 9th, held here in the Jeannie Seelig Room. Attending tonight, Alder Logan and myself. And we have no public appearances for non-agenda items. So that brings us to the consent agenda, which includes approval of minutes and approval of routine licenses. We have a motion to approve the consent agenda.
I will move to approve the consent agenda.
I'll note that there are two new licenses. Where's the Fairway Lodge, or Fairway Lounge?
That is the old Benvenuto's building.
Okay,
Yep.
all right. So we have two new, any questions on the minutes or the licenses?
None from me.
Seeing none, we'll call the vote. All in favor of approval of the consent agenda signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Consent agenda is approved. Next, we have agenda item 4, alpha, consideration following fermented malt beverage and intoxicating liquor licenses. Class C retailer's license for the sale of wine to Pancake Cafe, Fitchburg, 6220 Nesbitt Road, doing business as Pancake Cafe Fitchburg. Verna Gashi agent. Is that the right name? I thought it was.
Venera, yes, that's fine.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll move approval of this. Guys, why don't you tell me, first of all, I want to offer you congratulations on buying the cafe. And I know what business model, or is this going to be lunch? Lunch you'd be serving wine. Tell us a little bit more.
Okay, so first, good evening, and my name is Ahmet Gashi, and my family and we have been operating the restaurant for many years, especially like a Pancake Cafe, managing the restaurant.
Okay.
And now we are applying, since we purchased the Pancake Cafe, we are applying for a beer and wine license. I mean, for a Class C. We are not changing anything. The main beverage that we're gonna sell, it's gonna be mimosas, basically. That's it. So this is a breakfast and lunch restaurant. So my wife Venera already, she completed the required training, and we will follow all compliance rules. So
Sounds good.
also our manager Maggie, the staff will be the same staff as it was always at Pancake Cafe. Our manager Maggie, she has completed the training too. So. And she has been for 2 years actually certified. So,
Okay. All right. Thank you for the explanation. Appreciate it. Logan, any questions?
None from me.
Okay. Yeah, we were aware. Tracy mentioned last week it'd be mostly mimosas, and no questions. We'll call the vote. All in favor of the Class B retailer's license for the sale of wine at Pancake Cafe signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. It is approved. Ahmet? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Best
Thank you.
of luck to you. Thank you for doing, for purchasing a business in Fitchburg and adding commerce to our city. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So
Absolutely. Yep, take care.
we will follow all the state and local regulations.
I have no doubt. I have no doubt.
So,
Thank you, sir.
thank you again.
Take care.
Yeah.
All right, so that brings us to announcements. Our next meeting will be in January when we have the first council meeting on January 13th. This time I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
Motion to adjourn.
Moved by Logan, all in favor of adjournment signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye, we are adjourned at 6:03.